So this next song that we have here, we had the privilege to have some very special guests on there. Toronto's Decisive, a rapper from back home. He was on it. All right. But also, Ash Buchholz from USS was on this track as well. So we're going to keep that tradition going here tonight, and we're going to bring a special guest on stage. Where's my man Steve Lewis? There he is. There he is. Did you guys catch Steve Lewis today? My man. So I'm gonna go quick 16, and then you. Alex Duncan on the sousaphone. You guys ready? Go!
With open eyes, big picks of little things come explodes, pixels and everything expand and grow. Darkness to heaviness, it comes and goes. Big picks of little things.
Wonderful to meet you. I can tell that you're the kind of people that 2, 3 form your own philosophy, crawl in the head gracefully and honestly. 5, 6 with an extra thumb, making it gone. Go get it done. 7, 8, but it ain't finished yet. This ignorance is only bliss to the inconsiderate, and it's cold and mold crawling through the window wells. We're all kiss out like dinner bells. It's a hold up, smoke out, breathless and choked out. No help for those who don't help themselves. It's growing out the armpits. It's a leak in the ceiling, not a stain in the carpet. And I could try to explain, but the big picture's too big to be contained in a frame.
Open eyes, big picks of little things come explodes, pixels and everything expand and grow. Darkness and heaviness, it comes and goes. Big picks.
Get your hands up now to pass the mic. Yeah, that's unheard of. It must be some serious hurricane love. Get them going crazy, what's the problem? When you come to evolve, well, I'll fucking solve them with a little horn, a little bit of bass. We gonna turn it up in this motherfucking place. Now, let me know that you're alive and say I'm high and I just gotta survive. But I never heard of a friendship like this, and I'd be so sad if you had to miss the butter. I just want to thank you all for making Evolve the best festival. Friends, hey, it's all coming down in rain, but I don't care, it's insane in the brain and I'm coming to gain. Yeah, I just want to tell you this, the thoughts on the hurricane you should never miss.
Open eyes, big picks of little things.
Steve Lewis!
Pixels and everything expand and grow. Darkness and heaviness, it comes and goes.
Go Sylvie! Go Sylvie! Go Sylvie!
This life here is only coming one time. We gotta use it now to stop the hate incline, to be passed on to the other side, where we democratize with guns and landmines. Hate is what we do when we colonize, and it ain't over just cause time's gone by. We're still following the lines of genocide. This is not the way of life, and it's time we recognize. It ain't our place to tell them how to live their lives, what they should eat and how they should decide on their ways of being and how they survive. We gotta help if it's on and be a humble ally. With this groove we can help counter the wrong, speaking the truth with dance and song, cause this music got love for every time. Feel it moving through your body, spirit and mind. Open eyes, big picks of little things come explode, pixels and everything expand and grow. Darkness and heaviness, it comes and goes. Big picks of little things. With open eyes, with open eyes, with open eyes.
1 and 2, 3,
Open eyes, big picks of little things come
go, 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 come on.
It sounds and everything. Expand and grow. It's on this happiness. It comes and goes. They catch a little thing.
Give it up for Sylvie, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Lewis. And of course, you Evolve. You guys are the fucking bomb.